That his van outside? He's got a van with dark windows. Maybe he's bringing my prize.
Listen.
Yes.
No, listen. That's a trick. That's a trick. Listen, are you listening?
What do you mean a trick? Yeah, I'm listening.
I'm telling you, if you give them that money, you're gonna lose it.
Sir, if money doesn't
PCH.
grow on trees, why do banks have branches? Answer that, FTC.
Okay, what I'm saying to you, just listen to me. The FTC, PCH does not send anyone to your house to collect cash. We have money trail. What they're doing is illegal. A money trail must be established. You go to your Bank of America, you get a certified cashier's check made out to Kalisha Barry, and you go to Wells Fargo. And
Sir,
you
somebody's
deposit it and you
knocking
get
at
your
my door
receipt.
right now. I need to go get this. Somebody's knocking.
No, don't open up the door.
Open up the door? Okay, hold on.
Do not open it. Do not open it.
Hi, are you here for the box? No, this box of money. Are you here for the cash? I've got
No.
$45,000. Oh, you guys are doing tree services, like leaves and stuff?
Come on. Are you going to
I
give
know,
the
but
money away?
I've got to give this box of 45,000. I didn't know if you were the delivery driver or not.
No,
So do you
don't
work
give
with
them the
Barbara?
money.
Mr. Washington, it's somebody here that's cleaning the leaves out of lawns and stuff. They're not here to get the money. Hold on a second. No,
Okay.
this box of money. This is what I'm talking about right here. Yeah,
No,
it's
don't give
cash.
it. Go to the bank and deposit
No,
it.
it's all in cash. Oh, you do?
Don't give it to them.
You work
They're
with
here to
them?
clean trees.
I didn't know you worked with the government. Well, here, I'll give you the box. Hold on, Mr. Washington.
No.
The person said they work for the government now, and
No,
they can take the box of money.
I work for the government. Do not
Thank
give
you
it
so
to them.
much.
Do not give it to them.
You want to talk to him, you said? They want your box?
No, I don't need to talk to them. Close the door. Close the door.
Y'all, hello? Hello?
Hello.
Y'all, hi, I work with the government and stuff, and this guy
Where's your
said I
ID?
can take
Show
this
your
box
government
with me
ID.
and stuff,
Show your
okay,
government
dude?
ID. Put it on the speaker.
Sir, I'll take this right now to my office, okay?
No.
Just give me that box. Thank you.
No, don't give him the.
Sir, Mr. Washington, this nice young man is taking it to the office, okay? He said he works for the
No,
government.
do not.
Have a nice day, young
Let him show
man.
you his ID. Let him show you
Thank
his
you.
government ID.
What's that?
Let him show you his government ID.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Let him show you his government ID. He doesn't have a government ID.
Let me walk back inside. Okay. I can hear you
Do
better
not-
inside now. What was that?
Did you give him the? Let him show you his government ID. He doesn't have a government ID. They're tricking you.
Well, he's out in his van. They're getting ready to leave. He just put on his seatbelt. I can see him out the window.
Go back for the money.
What do
Go back for the money.
What do you mean, go for the money? He's bringing it to your office right now. He said he works for the government and the tree cleaning services.
I told him he's not with my company. He didn't even give me his name.
So go
Jesus
outside.
Christ.
So what do you want me to do? Ask him for his ID? Hold on, let me walk out.
Yes, ask him for his government ID. Let him show you a government ID for FTC. If he doesn't, take back the money. Call the cops on him.
Okay, hold on. I'm walking out there right now. Relax. Why are you so animated? This gentleman's trying to help. Excuse me,
I don't want to
sir.
rob you. I don't want
Excuse
to rob
me.
you.
Excuse me, sir. Open up your window. Yes, hi. Now I need to see your ID. No, dude, like,
Government ID.
I don't have an ID with me right now. I'm just out here trying to do my business. But don't worry, your package is
Take the money back.
surely safe with me. Like, I'm going to totally take care of this and stuff, okay?
No, take
Bless
back
you,
the money
young
from
man.
him.
Have a nice day, okay? And I appreciate that. What was your name? Yeah, like my name's Trevor, dude. You can just call me Trevor. Thanks, Trevor.
What's his last name?
Sir, Trevor's taking this right now.
Oh.
I think his last name is Ford,
No,
because
don't-
it says it on the back of the van.
You
Mr. Ford, thank you.
didn't get.
I'm walking back to the house. He just gave me a peace sign. That's nice. What a nice fella. I'll walk back in.
Okay. Well, listen.
All right.
You gave him 45. What about the 40? You gave him 45,000. What about the 47,000 that you need to get as a cashier's check from your bank and deposit it to Kelisha Barrett that I
Okay.
just gave you the information?
So I need to go to the bank right now and do another payment?
Yeah, do the final
Okay.
payment.
All right, let me get my shoes on. I walked out here with bare feet. The grass is not as forgiving this time of year. I will say that. I think I got a thistle. Hang on. You want me to call you back after I make the deposit? Then I can do that. Well, hold on a second.
No,
I bet that young man
that
could probably take it and do it for me. Let me give him the bank account information and tell him just to go do it for me. Hold on. Let me walk back outside.
No, listen. Are you listening to me? Hello? Oh, God. Hello?
Yeah, hold on, sir. I'm getting my shoes on. I don't want to walk back out there with bare feet. One second. I'm going to go ahead and give him the bank account information right now, okay? I'm going to give him this, and that way he can just do it himself, right, on behalf of the government? Trevor. He said his name was Trevor. Yes, I'm listening. I'm going to go out there to Trevor and give him the bank account
information. No, don't go back to him. Jesus Christ, listen to me.
I hear you.
Are you listening?
Yeah, hold on. I'm walking outside.
Do not go back to him. Jesus, listen to me.
Wait, he drove off.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, I hear you just fine, but he drove off. He's already gone.
Do not go outside. Has he drove off as yet?
Yeah, the van's gone. It's not there no more.
Okay, well, his job is finished. Now you need to make the final deposit. You need to go to Bank of America, get the...
All right. Okay, let me go do that right now, okay? I'm going to go do that right now in my car. Wait,
I'm not finished.
Come right now and just do this, okay? And I'll make the payment off and tell the bankers I need to make it off to the Federal Trade Commission. When I get there, I'll just let them know, okay?
No.
All right, sir, I'll call you back from the bank. Bye-bye.
No, listen. Can you listen to me? Wait. Hello? Hello?
That's what he gets.
Hello?
Telling us all that other nonsense earlier.
Hello?
How many times did you say hello? What do you think, chat? Get your votes in now. How he might try to call me back. It's worth it. This guy deserves every second of this torture. Every second of it. All right, let's hang up on him for right now. All right, let's make our way to the bank. What the hell? We got a bank account out of him. I'll take it. That's 2 in one day. We got a bank account now from lottery scammers and a bank account from a refund scammer. Does anybody remember how much he was wanting? He said 47,000, right? He keeps changing his amount. It was 45, now it's 47. Why is he so mad at me? Stephanie Humphreys, how you doing? It's a good question. I don't know. Why would he be so mad? We just gave a box of $45,000 to some random stranger that's doing lawn service. Why be mad about that? Okay, let's get to the bank and see what happens from there. Maybe we can turn the screws a few more times before he blocks us. Again, I don't know where this specific scammer came from. It started off as a text message back on Wednesday of last week, Wednesday evening. Good morning. He called himself Peter Green. It wasn't Mr. Washington. Hold on. Do I have something for Peter Green in my notes? Because I couldn't find anything for Mr. Washington. Well, anyways, Green Peter message saying that he's the director of the accounts and claims department. Please give me a call. It's important and urgent. I texted him, said, how can I help you? He said, call me now. Call me first thing in the morning. Good morning. This is Peter Green, Executive Director of the Federal Trade Commission. We're here to warn you to cease and desist from making any further contact with a woman's name, because she is under investigation for not delivering your $30 million plus your 3 2026 Mercedes-Benz cars, silver, black, and blue. Oh, he just said $250 million. He's already changed his name and the amount of money. Federal Trade Commission has total control over your delivery and not PCH anymore. And then I did call him and we kept getting disconnected. So yeah, this one is still a mystery to me. I don't understand where this one all came from or how it started, but we're going to finish it, that's for sure. Oh man, well, awesome. There you go. Let's get in the car. Let's call him from the car and see if we can drive him crazy still about the bank. I'm just going to turn on the car sounds. I'm not going to get crazy with the driving scene, I don't think. Wait, are we going to the post office or the bank? I think the bank, yeah. All right, we'll update this. All right, let's call him. Driving here and here. Here we go.
David Washington.
Mr. Washington, can you hear me? I'm driving to the bank right now, sir.
Don't tell them about FTC. You're
so
just
I'm
simply going in. Listen, are you
Trade Commission.
Are you hearing me?
And that way I have to make my payment.
Listen,
Or do I
just
need
listen
that
to me.
young man, Trevor, your agent Trevor, to be there with me? I think I see his
Can you
van.
listen to me? Hello, can you just hear me out? Let me say something.
I can hear you a little bit, but it's hard to hear you in the car because it's so loud. Get out of the way.
Okay, listen.
Damn
when you go to the bank, just give them Felicia Barrett.
I'm going to tell them FTC. I heard you, FTC.
No, don't say
I'm
anything.
going to definitely
Listen,
do that, and then I'm going to be able to send it off to them. Not a problem, sir.
Can you listen?
I'm listening right now. I'm going to tell them FTC, Federal Trade Commission, just like your text message said.
Do not
Hold on a second.
Listen.
Barbara's calling me right now. Why does she keep calling me? I need to tell her that Trevor took the money from the van. All right. Well, I'm parking at the bank now.
I'm telling you. Listen.
Let me park.
I'm
trying to park the car. Okay, hold on a second. One second.
And talk to me,
I can't hear you right now. I can't hear you because I'm parking. Relax.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to leave the phone in here on the charger while I go inside and send this off to the FTC.
Listen,
okay?
Listen.
I'll be back in just a little bit. It'll just be a couple of minutes, all right?
Listen. Do not tell the bank about FTC. Don't tell them your business. Just go for the cashier's check for Felicia Barrett and come outside and let me know when you have the 47,000 cashier's check. Do not tell the bank your business. Tell them Felicia Barrett is your friend. Hello? Are you hearing me? Hello?
I forgot something in here. Hold on a second. I have to get my ID. They need that. Let me go back inside, okay? I'm going to leave the car right now, okay? And now I'm going to take the FTC with me. Sir, is it okay if you just come in the bank with me? I can just keep the phone with me if you want. And that way I can just make it faster.
Can you listen? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me, goddammit? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I'm getting out of the car right now. I'm getting into the bank. Hold on a second, sir.
Do you have Felicia Barrett?
I'm inside the bank right now, sir. I'm in line. Now, once I send the $47,000 off to the Federal Trade Commission for my prize, when does the $250,000 go to my account for my winnings? I'm sorry, $250 million. Sorry. I got ahead of myself. Hello? Hello?
I'm here.
1, 2, 3, 4, happy days, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if these are the words. Gonna find out right now. Sir, guess what's on right now? The Happy Days song is on.
Oh, Jesus.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday, what a day. Rocking all week for you. These days are.
Hello?
Hello? Yes?
Did you get my text? Read my text message.
Hold on a second. The lady's calling me up right now here at the bank. The banker lady's calling me up right now, I think, right now. So I need to go tell her about fair trade. Hold on.
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, hi, ma'am. I need to make a deposit of some money in a wire off to the Federal Trade Commission for my $250 million prize.
That's all it took. Sorry. He as soon as I said that, he's like, nope. I tried to mute him a few times, TikTok especially. I'm so sorry. He was saying some not very nice things. Oh, wow. Again, I don't know where this hothead even came from, but he blessed us with his vile humanity and his rising blood pressure. We all went on a roller coaster. All right, let's let him simmer for a second, and I will have sent this off to the wrong place because Barbara messaged me a different account. Let's do that. That sounds fun. We can make him big mad once again. All right, like I said, we took a bank account from him. That was a victory in and of itself, let alone all the craziness that just came out of his face. Thank you guys again for tapping, following, all of that other nonsense that comes with these platforms. Hold on, Banker Lady, if you're around, let's see if we can get him on medication after this call. Here we go.
Yes, hello, sir. I'm at the counter right now at the bank, and the lady telling me about her manager about something about some kind of ma'am.
Read your text message. Can you read the text message?
Do you still need my ID?
Make the check out to Felicia.
Ma'am, do you still need my ID?
What up, pussy?
Yes, I need your ID, sir. Yes, I do.
Okay, well, sorry. I don't understand hand gestures like that. You keep putting your hand out like and just nodding at it like I know what to do. I don't know what that means. I don't understand gang signs. Here you go.
It's not a gang sign. It's just the palm of my hand asking you for an ID and asking you to please take your phone off speaker.
Oh, like I had give you a high five? Here you go, ma'am. High five.
No, what?
Woo.
Thank you.
2 claps and a Ric Flair. Woo. Isn't that funny? Now, ma'am, do you know a boy?
Adorable.
Yeah, adorable. Do you know a man named Trevor? He was supposed to come here with some money in a box for the federal government, and I'm making a different amount of money for the FTC with Mr. Washington right now.
Wait.
He can't handle it. He can't handle it every time I mention eBay. Oh man.
Call back.
Yeah, I'm sure he will. I picture him right now walking down, kicking rocks, and just mad as hell, yelling at the heavens about anything. Give it up again, everybody. Give it up to Chan. Doing an amazing job. She's taking all the stuff I'm reporting. She's working with me off stream nonstop, and doing a lot of other stuff as well. And not only that, coming in here to play the banker, the niece, whatever we ask her to do. Thank you, Chappie, for doing all that stuff. Yeah, look at that. All the Chappie emotes in chat. Thanks for doing that, everybody. Okay, I got some of Happy Days in. I hope that works. You'll have to let me know. Veronikis, I think that was your redeem. Thank you for doing that. All right, I'll see if I've got any more lottery scammers. I wouldn't mind playing with 1 or 2 more before we end. While I'm talking to Barbara. She said I got the account information wrong. She's texting me a new account, okay? I'll call you when I get back to my car right now, all right, buddy? All right, I love you. I love you, okay? What? Oh, shoot.
You're an idiot. I told you. I texted
My bad,
the
everybody.
information.
No, I'm getting it from Barb. Said that your text was wrong, and I sent that to her. And I love you. And I'll talk to you when I get back outside, okay? Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Hello.
He just said Barbara was North Korean. This guy today, and I would feel very proud of that accomplishment. Just join. Imagine being a doom scroller and just coming in just for that little piece, and
That his van